Hey guys, long time no see. Uh, we have mics, so this is a new thing. We're filming this same scene the third time because last time my voice was how to say a little bit screechy. So I got an R6 engine. Finally, it's a used one. It has very nice silicone coating on it. I don't know why somebody would rub it in silicone, but I don't know. It has a few minuses, like this cylinder has less compression than the others, so we're gonna find out why. The water pump, if you come back here, we're missing a water pump here, so that's not a big problem for us because we have a second engine. But I think firstly we have to clean it because it has been sitting for a long time. So, speaking about cleaning an old engine, when my old engine exploded, it spilled oil into every crevice and everywhere. So we'll have to clean it. And by cleaning it, we're gonna use the steam cleaner, which Kipras lended to me. It's really good. It's one of the best tools, like I think in the garage, in terms of cleaning. It gets all of the gunk out. One more cleaning utility, which is really cool, is the ultrasonic cleaner. The spa for bolts and nuts and everything else. So we're gonna put all the bolts in here. We're gonna clean them, and yeah, we're gonna put it in time lapse and see what's gonna happen. And we're back. Clean the engine. It was a lot of work, but it's worth it. The engine looks goddamn nice. The oil cooler looks really nice. It usually is very gunky and dirty because it gets all the road things in here. I don't know. The engine looks really, really nice. The steam took out a lot of stuff. I had to use some manual labor, a soft brush, but that's all. I used compressed air to blow it out. I think I only filmed the cleaning of the frame, but on the side, I cleaned the pipes, the hoses, not the pipes, and the hose clamps with a ultrasonic cleaner. The frame, I remember the frame looked like this when it got back from the, not like this, less scratched, but this clean after the powder coating. So it's nice to see my frame back to like brand spanking new. Then we cleaned these parts, that. We used the ultrasonic cleaner. And one of the happiest things to clean, which was very satisfying because there was a lot of gunk in here, was this. So I had to use the brush. So it was fun cleaning, but because when you have clean parts, it's very, I don't know, for me it's very nice to work because you don't get dirty. So this is gonna be the end of this episode, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next episode. Don't know when, but we have an engine now, so things are moving a lot faster now. So bye.